In this video, you'll learn how to log into your Udemy account. By following these steps, you will be able to access your learning dashboard and manage your courses effectively. Start by visiting the Udemy website using your web browser or opening the Udemy mobile application on your smartphone. On the homepage, locate the login or sign in button, which is usually placed in the top navigation area. Clicking this option will open the login form where you can enter your account details. Ensure that you are using the official Udemy platform to protect your personal information. A stable internet connection is important to avoid any interruptions during the login process. Once the login page is open, you can proceed to enter your credentials. In the login form, type the email address associated with your Udemy account in the email field. After that, enter the correct password in the password field provided. It is essential to double check the spelling and capitalization of your password as they are case sensitive. If you have forgotten your password, there is an option available for password recovery that you can use to reset it. Additionally, some accounts may support logging in through Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. Once all the information is entered correctly, you can move on to the next step. Next, click the login button to submit your credentials and access your account. Udemy will verify the details you provided and redirect you to your learning dashboard. In this section, you can see all the courses you are currently enrolled in and continue learning from where you left off. It is important to note that if the login process takes longer than expected, it may be due to slow internet speeds or server issues, so be patient. Once you are on your learning dashboard, you will find various options available to you. You can manage account settings, view certificates, and explore new courses. The dashboard serves as the central hub for managing your Udemy learning activities. From here, you can easily start a new course or resume any course you have previously begun. Familiarizing yourself with this interface will enhance your learning experience on the platform. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.